In this video, you will learn how to appoint co-hosts in Google Meet. Number 1, add co-host during call. The person you want to appoint as co-host has to be already logged into the call, just as Adam is in this case. Then you can click on Show Everyone, the 3 dots, and then Add as Co-host. Now, what enables this adding of co-host is the host management. That is the foundation for this feature to work. Now, in our case, we haven't already enabled it. That's why we have to accept that it will be enabled and we can add Adam as a co-host. By the way, enabling of the co-host or of the host controls per se, you can do here under this little icon with the lock. If you're interested in finding out more about host management and also how you can use breakout rooms, then do check out the video that we will be linking right about now above in a card. Number 2, add co-host before call. In Google Calendar, add the people to the call. Here we have a couple of people we want to add, and Adam is going to be our co-host. So we've added the people here, and immediately a Google Meet link was generated and added to our invite, and now we can call or we can choose to check the video call options. What we have to do is enable host management, and then we can add a co-host. Again, the co-host must be someone who is a participant of the call, so I can search for Adam now. There you go. And I can add Adam and click on Save and save the calendar invite, send it out. There you go. That was just a little info because also people outside of our organization are added to the invite. So now Adam, as soon as he entered the call, will already be a co-host. Have you learned something new in this video? Then please go ahead and leave us a like. And please do also consider subscribing to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any of our Google Workspace video tutorials.